Rice with the kick. And it's a clear header for Ben White. And the player who scored his last 2 goals at the semi-final.
But that's just it.
Cucurella chasing back at Saka now. Ben White in support. Pulls it right across. Gyökeres! Well, he couldn't miss from that range, but that... Here's João Pedro. Neto delivering with a cross. It's all the way through to Garnacho! And Chelsea get a fourth goal! Saka. Marino into the path of Gyökeres. Laid off for Zubimendi to strike! And just when Arsenal's command had been called into question, Neto's corner, Garnacho with a hit! He's done it again! A second lifeline offered to Chelsea by the substitute, Leah Brasinia through on.